Welcome to Money Flow Labs, where we reveal the strategies that actually work for building wealth. I'm your host, and if you're new here, we test real income methods and share only what generates actual results. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 passive income ideas for 2025 that can help you make money while you sleep. And yes, these actually work for beginners. Let me be upfront about something. True passive income takes time and effort to set up. Anyone promising you instant passive income is lying to you. But the methods I'm sharing today can generate real money with minimal ongoing effort once you get them running. Some of our Money Flow Labs community members are now earning between $500 and $5,000 monthly using these exact strategies. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which passive income stream matches your situation, how much you can realistically expect to earn, and the specific steps to get started this week. Let's dive in. Passive income idea number 1 is high-yield dividend investing, but with a modern twist. Traditional dividend investing requires massive amounts of capital to generate meaningful income. However, new platforms and strategies make this accessible to beginners, starting with just $50 to $100. Here's what's working in 2025. Dividend-focused ETFs that automatically reinvest and compound your returns. Index funds like VTI, SCHD, and SPHD are paying consistent dividends while growing in value. What makes this strategy powerful in 2025 is the combination of dividend apps and fractional investing. Apps like M1 Finance, Robinhood, and Fidelity let you buy fractional shares and automatically reinvest dividends for free. You can start with $25 and build a portfolio that generates real passive income over time. Passive income idea number 2 is digital product creation. But we're talking about solving specific problems for specific people, not generic courses that nobody wants. The opportunities in 2025 are incredible because technology has made creation easier while demand has increased dramatically. Notion templates for specific professions are selling like crazy. Real estate agents need deal tracking templates. Fitness trainers need client management systems. Freelancers need project organization tools. Well-designed Notion templates sell for $20 to $150 each, and successful creators sell dozens monthly. Spreadsheet solutions for small businesses are another goldmine. Inventory tracking for Etsy sellers, client management for service providers, financial planning for specific professions. Complex Excel tools can sell for $50 to $500 each. Homeschool planning systems, wedding planning packages, fitness tracking planners. These sell for $10 to $75 each on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Stock photography for underserved niches is still profitable. Instead of generic business photos, focus on specific industries or demographics that are underrepresented in stock photo sites. The secret to digital product success is research. Before creating anything, spend hours researching what people are already buying. Read reviews to understand what's missing from existing products. Then, create something better. One creator I know makes $3,200 monthly selling budget tracking spreadsheets specifically designed for single parents. She found a gap in the market and filled it perfectly. Passive income idea number 3 is affiliate marketing, but done strategically for long-term success. Forget about promoting random products for tiny commissions. In 2025, successful affiliate marketing is about becoming a trusted resource for specific audiences and promoting products you genuinely use and recommend. Here's what's working. Product review websites in specific niches. Instead of reviewing everything, focus on one category like home security systems, baby products, or fitness equipment. Build comprehensive review sites that help people make informed decisions. Educational content that naturally incorporates affiliate recommendations. Create YouTube channels, blogs, or social media accounts that teach valuable skills while recommending the tools you use. Email list monetization through affiliate partnerships. Build an email list around a specific topic, provide genuine value weekly, then occasionally recommend products that solve your audience's problems. The key is the trust factor. Your audience needs to see you as someone who genuinely cares about helping them, not just making commissions. Realistic earnings for affiliate marketing. Month 1 to 3. Expect $10 to $100 while you build content and audience. Month 6 to 12. Successful affiliate marketers often earn $300 to $1,500 monthly. Year 2 and beyond, many scale to $3,000 to $10,000 monthly by expanding their content and audience. I know an affiliate marketer who focuses only on productivity tools for remote workers. She creates honest reviews, comparison guides, and tutorials. She now earns $6,800 monthly from affiliate commissions because her audience trusts her recommendations completely. Passive income idea number 4 is real estate investment through modern platforms that don't require huge capital or landlord responsibilities. Traditional real estate investing was limited to people with significant capital and time to manage properties. In 2025, technology has democratized real estate investing for everyone. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, let you invest in real estate portfolios with as little as $1. REITs pay quarterly dividends and offer potential for property value appreciation. Many REITs pay 4 to 8% annual dividends, which is significantly higher than traditional savings accounts. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, YieldStreet, and Realty Mogul let you invest in specific properties or developments with minimum investments as low as $10. Rental arbitrage is another strategy that's working well in 2025. You rent properties long-term and sublet them short-term through Airbnb or other platforms. This isn't technically passive since there's management involved, but many people automate most tasks through cleaning services and virtual assistants. Successful rental arbitrage operators often earn $500 to $3,000 monthly per property after expenses. House hacking is perfect for people ready to buy their first home. You buy a duplex or multi-family property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rental income covers most or all of your mortgage, giving you essentially free housing or building equity. Many house hackers eliminate their housing costs completely while building wealth through property appreciation. Real estate investing isn't completely hands-off, but modern platforms and strategies make it much more passive than traditional landlording. With proper setup, you can generate consistent monthly income while building long-term wealth through property appreciation. Our 5th and final passive income idea is creating and licensing intellectual property. This includes everything from stock photography and video to music, written content, and even simple software tools. The beautiful thing about intellectual property is that you create it once and can license it indefinitely. Stock content creation is more accessible than ever. High-quality phone cameras make photography easier, simple editing apps let you create professional videos, and platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images provide global distribution. Successful stock creators often earn $100 to $2,000 monthly from content they created months or years ago. Music licensing for videos, podcasts, and commercial use is booming. Simple instrumental tracks created with basic software can earn ongoing royalties. Platforms like Audio Jungle, Pond5, and even YouTube's Content ID system let musicians earn from their creations indefinitely. Writing and licensing articles, ebooks, or course content to other creators and businesses is another opportunity. Many writers create content libraries that they license to multiple clients for ongoing income. simple app ideas, or software tools can generate recurring revenue. You don't need to be a programmer. Platforms like Bubble, Adalo, and Glide let you create functional apps without coding. Focus on solving simple problems for specific groups of people. Then charge monthly subscriptions for access. The key to intellectual property success is creating content that remains relevant over time. Avoid trending topics that will become outdated quickly. Instead, focus on evergreen content that people will need months and years from now. Now, let's talk about choosing the right passive income strategy for your situation. If you have limited startup capital, start with dividend investing and digital product creation. Both can begin with under $100 and grow from there. If you have more time than money, focus on affiliate marketing and content creation. These require significant upfront work, but can generate substantial ongoing income. If you have some capital to invest, consider real estate options like REITs or house hacking. These typically require more money upfront, but can generate higher monthly returns. If you have creative skills, intellectual property licensing could be perfect. This leverages talents you already have into ongoing income streams. The most important factor is matching the opportunity to your current situation and long-term goals. Don't try to pursue all 5 strategies at once. Pick one that excites you and aligns with your resources. Then commit to building it properly before moving on to anything else. Here's your action plan for this week. Choose one passive income strategy from today's video that matches your situation. Research it thoroughly. Watch tutorials. Read success stories. Understand the requirements completely. Take one concrete action step within 48 hours. Whether that's opening an investment account, brainstorming digital product ideas, or researching affiliate programs in your area of interest. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building systems that generate money consistently over time. The income streams you start today could be supporting you for years or even decades to come. Every successful passive income earner started exactly where you are right now, with an idea and the willingness to take action. Which passive income strategy are you most excited about? Comment below and let me know which one you're going to start first. I read every comment and often provide specific guidance for your chosen strategy. If this video opened your eyes to new possibilities for 2025, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Every week, we share proven strategies for building wealth and creating financial freedom. Remember, at Moneyflow Labs, we believe everyone deserves multiple income streams and the security that comes with diversified earnings.